Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to present a kind of identity card of one of our applications. So this application concerns the metocean analysis for offshore structure design. Well, my company is called Noveltis. It's a private company, including 40 people. We perform innovative scientific engineering studies, and we implement customized end-user solutions in the field of space, environment, and sustainable development. We develop high-tech solutions that involve top-level skills in environmental and physical science, in domain covering the atmosphere, the oceans, and the land surfaces. Our staff is expert in modeling, processing of Earth observation, and in situ measurement. We are also expert in information system and decision support system. The application I'm talking about concern the market sector of coastal and marine environment. Noveltis is an intermediate user that uses the Marine Copernicus service to develop innovative solutions and business for end users. The end users I'm talking about today are developers for marine renewable energy, for example, offshore winds, tidal and wave energy, but we have also other operational from offshore as end users. The context of this application is that offshore structures have to be designed to face extreme weather and sea conditions. Noveltis has used its application for a pilot floating wind farm project selected by the French government, and it's called EFGL, Éolienne Flottante du Golfe du Lion, and is conducted by a joint venture composed of ENGIE, EDP Renewables, La Caisse des Dépôts, Eiffage, and Principal Power NG. The application, for this application, Noveltis has developed a metocean analysis tool to provide all the statistical information relative to sea conditions. The area is the Mediterranean Sea near Le Cat. Noveltis has provided the necessary statistics to help our client to design the floating structure of the wind pilot project. The statistical analysis have been made by using the Siemens MED model reanalysis. I'm going to... Well, the Siemens products we use come from model. We use the product for this application in delay time. We use the products for various areas. In this application, it was the Mediterranean Sea, but we have duplicated this application to other places. And the parameters we use are the currents, but also the temperatures, the salinity, and the waves. How do we use the Siemens products? Well, Noveltis use the products as the forcing conditions in order to apply the method of dynamical downscaling for obtaining high-resolution local models. But mainly, for this kind of application, we post-process the Siemens products to feed our internal environmental database. Concerning the improvements needed, for us, it's very important to plan to be able to download early reanalysis, in particular for current, because when we have to deal with the statistical analysis, the daily data are not enough most of the time. We also need an easy access to in-situ data, allowing, for example, the selection of a period, an area, or a parameter. Another improvement could be the access to to tides to be included in the ocean currents, but for that we do need early current. We would need also bathymetry product, but also meteorological forcing, because when we are downscaling the CMEMS products, and we have to downscale also the meteorological forcing, and it's not very easy. And we also need the CMEMS visualization tool to be improved. Which are the benefits for us? The first benefit is that our service has a reduced cost and reach more clients. We do not have to run a regional or global model, and we only have to download them and to work on them, and we can focus on other development. The other benefits is that offshore developers are able to improve the reliability of their structures with the focused and customized services. In conclusion, I would say that Noveltis develops service targeting all the stakeholders of the maritime value chain, principally offshore operational and maintenance, maritime transport, and marine energy. Noveltis use CMEMS as boundary condition of our model, incast and forecast service, and as an input of statistical analysis. The main benefits for Noveltis to use CMEMS products are free access to a first level of information about ocean parameters, concrete results which allow us to provide a high level of analysis to support our clients, and concerning the prospect for new markets, such methodologies are already duplicated over several areas in the world. Thank you.
Questions? Thank you, Muriel. I was wondering if you can detail what you are expecting in the improvement of the view tool, because you said this.
Maybe it's quite long most of the time when you only want to extract some data. The visualization tool is already quite easy to use, but a bit long, and sometimes it doesn't give for the export. It's not very.
Okay, performances and the export.
Hi, very nice talk. Could you just tell us a little bit about how you deal on a one-to-one basis with your client to discuss what they need? So how you go about saying, well, we've got model data we could take, or we've got Earth observation data we could take. What's the process that you use to interact? Because that's at the hub. It's at the core of how we transition CMEMS into a real downstream set of applications and services, and you're right at the core of that. So could you just tell us how you do that?
Yeah, the general process, we don't receive a request. We go to the clients, a lot of clients, potential clients, and we ask them, what do you need? What is your next challenge? What is your future needs? And we try to prepare us to be able to answer the request. And sometimes our clients are not able to use directly the available products, so we try to be the mediator of. That's the general process.